Matthew Rondina here with the Best Buy blog. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Swann Security Floodlight Camera, a nice piece of hardware that no home really should be without. Out of the package, the unit comes with everything needed to install it on a standard outdoor wiring junction box. Let's take a look at what's included. First, we have the actual floodlight/camera unit. The dome here is the TrueDetect Passive Infrared PIR Motion Sensing unit. This grill here is the speaker/siren. Up top here we have the 1080p night vision capable camera and all the wires that you would need to connect to your actual live power around your home. If we pick up the unit here and take a 360-degree just quick look around it, it's got great sturdy construction that stands up to just about all weather conditions. On the back here we actually have a little hidden hatch. It's kind of tough to see, but once we pop it open here you can see the reset button. Once you have the actual unit connected to your home, you just pop this open and hold the reset switch down for a few seconds, and the LED will actually flash blue on the front, allowing it to sync with your actual mobile device. One thing to be mindful of during installation is where your home's Wi-Fi hub will reside. The Swann hardware does depend on Wi-Fi signal in order to push notifications for activity on your property as well as upload video to the cloud. We also have our standard fare with instruction manuals. A nice added touch is the Swann security stickers in both English and French for an added deterrent for intruders around your property. The actual paper instructions are extremely helpful, but Swann also has included great online YouTube videos for step-by-step instruction in regards to how to install the actual unit. Finally, on this side we have all of the hardware components required for installation. Right here we have the foam gasket for creating that nice weatherproof seal around the base of the unit, mounting bracket, as well as all other components that you're going to need, including the 3 wire nuts, which will help you make a nice clean connection between the actual hardware and your home's electricity. A word of caution, just ensure that the breaker is off and that you've used an electricity current tester to avoid all electrical shock. The actual connecting of the main unit to the mounting bracket once it's complete is pretty straightforward. Again, mounting bracket, you would connect that with the main large bolt, then use the actual cap here and attach it for a nice, beautiful unified look on the side of your home, business, or other property that you're looking to protect. Now that we've covered all the bases for what exactly is in the box and a brief overview of what we need to install, let's head on outside and actually mount and configure the unit. Here we are outside, and I've decided to mount the hardware in the perfect spot. I have a bit of a blind spot in my home in an alleyway, so we're going to mount it at least 8 foot high as recommended by Swann, and turn that previous blind spot into an area that is fully monitored 24/7. Now that the unit is mounted and powered up and all set to go, let's start the configuration process. I have to give Swann some big credit here. The actual setup process using the Safe by Swann app downloaded onto my iPhone made the setup an actual snap. You just follow the prompts on screen, and before you know it, you're going to be getting push notifications across all of your devices in no time. The Safe by Swann app and interface used to access your camera is very well organized. You can access your live feed, as well as scrolling down lets you adjust the intensity of the light or quickly activate the unit's audible siren. Even at times when you're not actively watching the camera's feed, it will track any motion, and you can go back and take a look at the logs later on in the day at your convenience. I've definitely caught some interesting things happening down the alleyway of my house that I had no idea that was going on. But thanks to the Swann camera system, I now know. Whether snow, coming or going, I'm always in the know. Whether it's an intruder or just a platoon of raccoons, the Swann security system has all my bases covered for me.